Hey everybody, it's Tina here with DeBoer's Auto. And with cold, snowy weather comes the great discussion about winter tires. Do they really make a difference? And I'm going to tell you from personal experience, 100% they make a difference. And let me tell you why. Not all tires are equal. Winter tires are designed for us northerners to be able to get a better grip in the winter time. That better grip makes a world of difference for when you're driving in snowy conditions, when you're driving in not so snowy conditions, but just cold conditions and regular traffic. The reason why is because winter tires are designed with a softer rubber compound. A softer rubber compound in cold temperatures means you get a better grip on those road surfaces. The design of the tire is really important too. The tread patterns feature deeper grooves and things called sipes that allow to push material away from the tire so that it continues to grip the road even in snowy and slushy conditions. And it also helps you get a better grip in icy conditions. This dramatically improves your cornering, your braking, and your acceleration, all important things that your vehicle needs in the wintertime. These tires are so important because they increase your stopping distance in cold weather. No matter what model vehicle you have, whether it's equipped with all-wheel drive or not, snow tires are needed. Just because you have all-wheel drive doesn't mean you have all-wheel stop. So if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, you could definitely benefit from a set of winter tires as well. Make sure that you protect your investment in the winter time by investing in a set of snow tires. You want to switch them out when the weather becomes consistently below 45 degrees, and then you can switch them back in the spring when the weather becomes consistently above 45 degrees. If you're looking for a set of winter tires for your vehicle, give us a shout. Call us, stop by, or visit us online to make an appointment so we can help evaluate what the best options for your vehicle are. We'll see you soon.